Or it could be a way home. Home.
Hi, I'm Paul.
Mother of God.
I like trains.
2 to the 1, 1 to the 3. I like.
Why are you still on my hand?
What does that mean, Miss Tulip?
I've been trapped on this train for
1 million years.
See you. Solved!
The next car will probably be a car.
You said that for the last 8 cars. It's just too unlikely.
Pick an apple, put it in a basket. Pick an apple, put it in a basket. Roll that boat. Dig a hole, shake it like a quick. Shake it like a
Oh, stop it.
Stop it!
Maybe it's a pizzeria that only serves
I spilled liquids in my pants.
I am Cat. Welcome to
No. Down. Go get it.
Ow! We just get very excited when someone new comes through the door.
Here's Johnny.
Yay, Shadow! I can do an eagle!
Nice eagle. I'ma give myself a 5. Pretty good.
Looks like I'll have to start writing his obituary.
Awfully morbid little thing, aren't you?
Ah! What is it, 1-1?
I'm a unicorn! Are you f***ing high?
Well,
Wanna go outside right now?
No.
You wanna do it? You wanna go outside?
Yes, I want to go outside. I want to enlist your help in hunting down the creature and saving my people.
I've got my own stuff to deal with.
Por favor.
No!
Por favor.
No!
Por favor.
Alright.
6.5 hours later.
It's the doors.
Inspector Carmelita Fox's office is behind the red door.
The shadow came from a work light. So how is there a work light?
It's the beast.
Come, wayward souls.
My people have been working on this technology for decades.
Let's just talk to it!
No!
Taste the rainbow, mother.
Say hello to my little What? You didn't even let me. Oh my god!
You got knocked the out, man.
Miss Tulip!
Should I start writing your obituary?
Wow. We're just gonna go right there?
Miss Tulip, what's wrong?
I think I got my push. Outside?
Maybe.
Come on.
Well,
Wanna go outside right now?
No.
You wanna do it? You wanna go outside?
Yes, I want to go outside.
Numbers are quantitative. They represent things.
No! Shut up! Oh!